Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove Subscript in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show remove Subscript text in Publisher. Now going to select from a text. Now going to the home menu option, then click for a Subscript option. That is. Then again another text select in the remove Subscript. Then going to the another process. Then click for a font setting option. Now then I show the interface. Now remove from the Subscript. Now click for OK. That is. Now you can see remove Subscript text in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for